Now, the air quality in Delhi improved to the very poor category today morning as the air quality index dropped to 370 after touching nearly 500 in the severe plus category earlier this week. But the air quality issue this time has thrown up more questions than answers. The greatest confusion was that some credible private agencies often show AQI readings of more than 1,000 to 1,500, while the official figure never goes beyond above 500 using the same data from the authorities. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins us live this morning. Kritika, good morning once again. Given the fact that, there are multiple aspects to this. Number one, you look at the fact that maybe there is a dip in those AQI numbers, but that doesn't really state that the picture is looking good. Number two, with this number confusion that has happened, because many agencies internationally going on to report how it is 1,000 plus, but we never report it above 500. There's a reason for that, which will, of course, help us draw perspective on. And number three, with the fact that there is going to be no change. And if a citizen feels like this gas chamber sort of an effect is going to come down anytime soon, that isn't the case while you continue to report from outside. So you will be able to tell us better, considering you're not just reporting from one area, right? You're reporting from Delhi NCR.
That's right. In fact, even as AQI has improved to 379, it is important to remember that this is the AQI level where experts have asked vulnerable age groups, which is younger children and senior people, to stay indoors, and adults and relatively healthier people not to engage in any strenuous activity. So this is still a noxious situation that the national capital is in. Currently, we're reporting from Kartavya Path, and I'm just requesting our camera person Kamal Kant to also give you visuals of the north block of Rashtrapati Bhavan this morning. Now, definitely we can see a slight improvement in the visibility given how we're experiencing clear skies as well as a very sunny morning, in fact. So fog situations have completely dissipated. Northwesterly winds are also blowing, which is why we see that whatever smog is visible, it's only towards the surface. The skies, however, as of this morning, on a very frank note, in fact, are blue. But remember, the AQI still in 12 stations are in the severe category. Requesting our camera person to also pan towards the India Gate monument, where again on your cameras you might be able to see only a brief outline of it. So definitely still this is an ongoing crisis. The fact that the numbers have dipped down back into the very poor category should not give reason for residents or even specifically government officials to invoke any sort of relaxations. Remember, this is also why the Supreme Court had asked that the graded response action plan stage 4 preventive measures should not be removed without a nod from the top court. And the reason was simply this, because we have been far too long exposed to this very poor to severe level of air quality. Now, for the next 3 days as well, the early warning system under the Environment Ministry is predicting air quality to remain in the very poor categories itself. However, definitely, as we are seeing this morning as well, the hotspot regions, which are 12 in number as of this morning, are still quite affected with Wazirpur even now recording a level closer to the severe plus at 436. Over to you.